Hi, and welcome to my channel. Hey, this Juanita. Typically, I put all of my cushions up from my porch away for the winter, and this year I didn't do that. And I thought I was going to escape from any snow. I'm really happy about the snow, but I think I'm going to have to take these cushions in so that they don't get all wet because they are not covered with outdoor fabric. They're actually indoor fabric, so I'm gonna move them inside. But that's not what I was gonna film today about. I was gonna film about the snow in my yard because I need to go to the post office to ship off a couple of things and check my mailbox, and I can't get up. I can't get out. So I'm gonna be shoveling snow to get out of my yard. Whoa. So my steps are right here, and this too are covered completely. And I can't get out of my gate because I can't open the door. Oh! Whoa. I think I need a shovel to actually dig down because we've got ice here. But I'm going to walk you around the yard just so you can see what the yard looks like in this winter wonderland. So, yeah, things are pretty buried here. You can't even see my plants. Got a little bit of ice coming out from my bird here. He's frozen. Oh my goodness. I'm probably destroying my plant. My poor. This pot is actually really buried. And it's ice. It is like, ooh, it is like ice down here. So it is really buried. My bunny is under snow, and my little deer, my deer that is typically way out of the snow, looks so cute. Oh my gosh, this is just like incredible. Now this pot here, usually when I'm filming it, there's really never anything in it in the summer because these are all spring flowers. But it is, I think they're all, I would say they're all frozen now. We got plant here, my oak Chinese lantern. It is actually, looks like it's pretty cold, but it looks like it's surviving. Hopefully it does, because typically this is not an annual here in the Northwest. Let's see what we can find in the backyard. Let's see if I can even open this. I can't even, I can't open it. Okay, I'll have to go around. I was actually going to be filming some of this stuff before it actually got to this point, but wasn't expecting this kind of snow and ice. Okay, so it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get in the garage for a shovel. So I think I'm just not going to be able to go anywhere. I see things are pretty cold, but It looks like snow. Oh my God, snow got in here. I'm gonna have to go and get my hands warm and build a fire and get this snow out of here. It must have really blew for it to come in here, because this typically never gets snow or anything in it. But yeah, things are pretty cold. In fact, the chickens haven't come out down below at all. They're all in their little roost, and I can't say that I blame them. So clearly I'm not going to go anywhere today. Trying to get in to my home. Oh my goodness. I got to go in my hands. I have this problem. I have a problem with my fingers and my toes. And right now my toes are nice and warm because I've got some really good boots. I've got these excellent Ugg-like boots. I thought I was going to be able to do something, but my hands are just like really cold. I don't even know if you can see them, but they are like almost frostbitten. I have this issue with my hands where they get like super, super cold. It's almost like I lost the circulation from my fingers and my toes, but my toes right now are, these boots keep them so, oh my God, they were the best investment ever. But yeah, my fingers are going to be, they're going to be tingling and hurting. They're really hurting right now. So I'm going to warm them up. So I have these two packages that I've got to take to the post office. I'm trying to think of what gloves can I layer and have that will work really well so that I can go back outside.
I'm still tired when I wake up, like my dream's still near. Snooze spotting my best friend now. Get me away from here. I got plans, I got things to do. Gotta do my hours, do my hours. Why is everything so damn hard? Gray skies and rain clouds. I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. When is it my turn to start living? 'Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars. And no one ever told us that tomorrow it might not be gone. Sunny days replaced with weekend jobs. I don't wanna turn back time, I just wanna feel that I'm living life with clarity. Sun shining, it's a new day. Gotta play it cool, keep my head up above the water. Yeah, it's all I gotta do. Quit drinking all that shit till I see the horizon. And when everything is so damn hard, I'll work through it. I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. No more, no more. 'Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars.
Hopefully I can take this, so come along. All right, well, I got it to go, and that was a little tricky. Well, all I can do is try my best here. Now the trick here is simply that I live on a hill and it is icy out here. So we'll see. Okay, so we'll hopefully I can get down here safely. I test my brakes every so often and make sure I just get down this hill really easily. I mean, I do have four-wheel drive, but you know what? Sometimes four-wheel drive isn't enough for a hill. And Oregon is not a state that they put salt on the roads, and a big reason for that is simply because we don't get that much snow. Oh, it looks like things are gripping pretty well, so I just have to make it down this little tiny steep hill here, and I do have good tires, so I'm not too worried, but at the same time it's more about the other cars than it is about me. Well, they were closed, so I guess I'm gonna try one more place. They say they're open until 3:30 on Sundays, but with this weather, you never know. They could close. So, yeah, I'm gonna just give it a shot and see what the other one is. If nothing else, I can come back to Whole Foods and do a little bit of grocery shopping. I think I'll go get a cup of coffee. Well, now I know that I'm in serious trouble when Starbucks is closed. Okay, on to the next adventure. I don't know how people ride their bikes on snow. I mean, do they put like little tiny studded tires on them? Or what? It's got to be a challenge. I don't think it's a challenge that I'd want to do. I can't tell if they're open or not. Oh, they closed. Oh, darn it. Okay. Guy just gave me the, nope, we are not open. Oh, darn it. Well, this will clear out. So it doesn't appear that coffee shops are open. So I guess I'm just going to have to go home and make my own coffee. Oh my God, those poor awnings. Oh, darn it. That's the one thing about driving around Portland when it snows or when it has high winds, is that you can drive around and you can see all the devastation that it's caused. And right now I don't see anything other Okay, well, I'm just out of luck on a lot of things. Whole Foods is even closed. Only in Portland. This little girl here with her parents was so devastated that Whole Foods was closed that she was upset and crying. This other guy comes up and he says, I don't blame you. That's exactly how I feel. That was funny. Okay, so I'm going to go back down to see if Safeway is open. Because if they're closed, then I'm just, SOL. It is pretty cold outside. I mean, it's 27 degrees. So, which is really funny because when I initially went outside to shovel, my hands were so cold that they were like hurting so bad. And once I went in the house and warmed up my hands again, and I went back out and I started shoveling, they never got cold again. That was really interesting. I don't know, maybe my hands acclimated. Okay. Safeway's not my first choice of places to go grocery shopping, but it works. We get groceries, but it's typically my husband who goes grocery shopping, and I can see why. Because it is expensive. Especially when you buy organic stuff, but I guess you gotta pay to eat well. Okay, heading home now. Okay. Oh my gosh, I tell you, it is so expensive to shop. Oh my god. $127 for 3 bags. And I'm just flabbergasted because I don't typically go grocery shopping, and I can see why now. Home safe, and now it's just time to get these groceries down. Okay, hope you enjoyed the drive around Portland and the neighborhood under our Winter Wonderland. So, love you. I will see you guys on my next video.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so Try not to hold me down, feel alive.